What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, and the economic calendar and whatever is going on for earnings week. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you hit the like button. I'll wait for you guys to do that. Gotta give you guys a few seconds. Subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. Comment down below what do you think is on my watch list, and let's see if we have the same watch list, right? Not only that, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time on Instagram Live on Nord Trades, I will be going live and doing a pre-market review. Obviously, what I give you on my Sunday stock watch list, the opposite that I'm looking at could be happening tomorrow, and then I have to adjust. So I like to do that once a week on Mondays at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you join us or join me for that and see what I'm looking at. And make sure you go to Nord Trades. I just dropped a vlog, so go from this channel to that channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So here's the economic calendar. If you guys want a clearer picture, just go to Trade Like Nor. Only have 3 Instagram accounts: Nor Trades, Trade Like Nor, and Stock Hours. Do not get scammed. And I don't have a WhatsApp or a Telegram, so let's just make that simple here. So here's Monday, September 25th. Nothing really going on here. Tuesday, you have consumer confidence, new home sales. Nothing else to that. Wednesday, you have durable goods ordered before market open. EIA petroleum status report at, 10:30 a.m. And then Thursday, you have jobless claims and GDP. It's a serious Thursday. And then at 7 p.m., you have Thomas Barkin speaking. So that's cool. Friday, you have international trades and goods, personal income, and outlays. Those are both before market open. And then 15 minutes into the market open, you have Chicago PMI. And then 30 minutes into the open, you have consumer sentiment. So that should be a fun Friday. All right, here's earnings. Nothing too cool about this week, but it's a little better than last week. You have Costco, that can move. Micron Technology, that's a big one. And then you have Nike. Other than that, other than, BlackBerry, if you're a degenerate, I don't really see anything. CarMax can probably move, and those aren't stocks that I really play with because options volume isn't the greatest over there. So let's go ahead and get started with the watch list here. So first of all, Meta is on my watch list here. The 1 hour, I caught a crazy move on this on Friday. If you have not seen that, make sure you go and check that out. I think I posted it on YouTube and on my Instagram. But here's the 1 hour trend. The stock, Friday was it wasn't based on the trend. Now, if we're going to play this, we have to watch this trend. Just sucks that this stock is in this range. And, it is pretty strong, though, because, look, this was up 1% here this Friday. Now, if I go to SPY and look at it on Friday, you'll see we were down about a point. So this held up pretty well on Friday versus, what can I say, Tesla, for example. Look at Tesla. Down 4% on Friday. So this did do a really good job holding up here. So Meta, what I'm watching on this is the 1 hour trend. If we can break that, I don't really care for this 292 level or the bottom of this trend. Won't be playing anything. What I'm looking at on the upside is probably the 306 level. And if I don't really like that, I'll probably be waiting at 309. Just stay updated on my Instagram or even on my Instagram Live tomorrow, but I doubt it'll get close for me to talk about it tomorrow. But this is a little tricky. So I'm watching this 1 hour trend if you guys are interested in that. The next thing I'm watching is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA here, we have a gap to the downside here from 412, 411.78 down about 408 and change. So I am watching that on NVIDIA. Not only that, I am watching that low 407. The stock is pretty weak. But what I am watching though is this 421 level right here. Let me add a drawing real quick. So I'm watching this 421 level. That's the upside momentum break we can get. And that doesn't mean this is bullish. It just means it might get a momentum run after that. So I will be watching the 421 break to the upside, and to the downside, I'll probably be watching 410. And then 407, and then 405. So let's see which one we get first this week. I wouldn't doubt that we probably get the upside. NVIDIA is so annoying and weird here. As you can see, it was up about $6 Friday. So that's that on NVIDIA. What am I looking at on Tesla? Tesla. Look at this wedge it broke out of. That was really ugly for that. Let's go on the bigger time frame, the 1 hour. The 1 hour. So yeah, this 243 level has obviously held up pretty well here. I will be watching this low. Obviously, if Monday is red off the open and the overall market is down, this is going to break 243. Then I'm watching 240. My next support under that is 237. And then on the 4 hour, you guys can see things could get a little ugly. So after 237, I'm watching 235, but it all starts with 243. We'll see how that that transpires and see how weak it is into that level. If it's not that weak, I'll wait for 240 and then 237. So watching the downside on Tesla, I don't really have any upside. Just because I'm giving you the downside doesn't mean I'm bearish. These are just the levels that I have prepared for it. And then Apple. Let's have a little fun with this. I don't normally play this, right? So go to the 1 hour. You guys can see that we have a flat bottom here at 173.50. I am watching this to the downside. Let's see if this holds this. Friday was up about 0.5%. 173.50. I have room down to 172.50 and then 170. Where's the bottom of this wick? 171. So yeah, 172.50 after that level, and then 170, and then we'll see how Apple holds up. The stock is pretty well. It is healthy. You guys can see this uptrend here. Let me put this on the 1 year. It's starting to break this 1 year uptrend. It got rejected, try to get back in there. But as you can see, for the most part, Apple's been holding up at the top of the trend. For the past year, it came down all the way down to 171. Ended up getting all the way back to 190, which was only $8 away from all-time highs. And then we're coming back to these lows at 171.96. So I am watching this on Apple. Pretty rare. As long as the contracts are not too cheap, I should be able to play this. So that's my watch list for this week. Make sure you go ahead and go watch my main vlog. I just gave away $5,000 to my hometown on my main page. I'll see you guys. Peace.